Oh, oh my goodness. Hello there everyone. Thank you guys again for joining us on the Ovelle Coffee channel. Just want to say welcome back. Thank you for joining us on yet another video. Really appreciate it. Really appreciate. Really. Oh my goodness. I really appreciate all of the support, and we really do love having you guys come back and watch our videos and like all the things that we have to offer. So let's get into this video. I'm going to jump right in. I'm not going to be chatty Cathy. I'm just going to get right into this video and what it's all about. So today I am going to do another repurpose. A part of our repurpose series is to repurpose some items in the home that you already currently had, and then how you can utilize them in different ways, creating new things, hence repurposing, right? So I'm going to get into this video a little bit. I have a couple things with me. You'll see on the counter there, and then also in front of me you'll see some frozen blueberries. And then you're also going to see some milk, which this is oat milk. It's actually not milk. It is oat milk. And we have this brand here. This is not a sponsored brand, but this is the brand that we do enjoy, and it is oat milk. It is not regular dairy. And then we also have some like a measuring cup, and then some peanut butter. Yet again, these brands are not sponsored. These are just some brands that we enjoy on a day-to-day basis, so we have them already in our home. So definitely utilize what you already have in your home. So what we're going to make today is a blueberry smoothie, and we're going to incorporate some of the notes that are in the Jamaica Blue Mountain coffee. So you'll get like some of that berry notes depending on the level of roast. And with our roast that we are recently coming out with, or our blend that we're actually coming out with, it has a lot of that blueberry notes in it and a lot of that dark chocolate as well. So I'm going to just show you a little bit about what we're going to use. We're also going to add some dark chocolate in here as well, and I'm going to grab that. So here is our dark chocolate, and yet again, this is a brand that we do not work with, but just something that we do utilize in our home. So we have some dark chocolate chips, and we're going to incorporate it into our smoothie. So let's get started on the smoothie, guys. So the first thing that we're going to do is, if you have a Vitamix blender, if you have a different kind of blender, you would just use that. You want to put the liquids at the bottom first, so we're going to work that in right now. I'm going to measure out a 1/4 cup of milk, and this again is oat milk, so this is a very healthy kind of coffee smoothie in the morning, really to get you up and awake. And if you do want to add bananas, I would definitely say add bananas, because bananas are amazing in a smoothie. So we're going to add this in here, and that's a 1/2 cup of the oat milk. We're also going to add in the coffee as well, and this is our Jamaica Blue Mountain coffee, 100% Jamaica Blue Mountain coffee. This is unblended, but this is basically coffee that we don't get a chance to use, or we don't finish. So that is hence why I wanted to repurpose this bit of coffee, because sometimes you're not able to drink all of your coffee, and then you don't want to throw it away or waste it. So what do? You can actually make a smoothie out of it. And these are frozen blueberries that I have here. This is about a cup of blooper moment. This is about a cup of blueberry smoothies here. Frozen blueberries. This is about a cup of frozen blueberries. So I'll put that down there. And then we're just going to give this a nice blend. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in the peanut butter as well, because I do like to add in the peanut butter. There it goes, right? I do like to add in peanut butter because of the protein that it gives you, and it is just such a nice added touch to any smoothie. It gives it this different taste to it, and you'll be surprised when you add peanut butter into your smoothie what it actually tastes like. You're going to be like, oh my goodness, I'm so glad I learned that, because it tastes so good. If you don't already add it into your smoothie already, but I thought that this is a nice little thing to add into the smoothie. So I'm just going to put that in here as well. And I usually like to put in about 2 tablespoons into my mixture here. And then that way I could just get the serving size of amount of protein that I need, and I can just enjoy my smoothie knowing that it is packed full with proteins, antioxidants, vitamins, and antioxidants are so amazing for you. That's why I love incorporating blueberries into my smoothie, because of the antioxidants and the different benefits that it offers. It is like a no-brainer choice, so definitely enjoy that. I think I'm going to add just a little bit more of the oat milk in here, probably a little less than a quarter oat milk in here, just to give it just a little bit more of that liquidity. And I'm going to add that in here. I'm just going to blend it up, and then you guys get to see what it looks like. So before I make it blend completely, I'm just going to add some chips of chocolate, of dark chocolate, and basically I just like to put like a handful in my hands, and that basically is the amount of dark chocolate that I need for this smoothie. So I'm just going to put that right on in, and then I'll take this top part off here, add those in, and then it's going to give it such a huge try. Alright, so you have to turn this guy off, because if you do not turn it off, it will splatter all over the place. It will splatter all over the place if you do not turn it off. So definitely turn this bad boy off. And when I say it kind of got up on my shirt a little bit, but that's okay. And I am so excited and ready to try this smoothie. So I'm going to try this smoothie out, and I cannot wait to tell you guys exactly what this tastes like. I'm sure it's going to be delicious. It smells so good, and it has just this really nice blueberry peanut texture and aroma about it, with that nice subtle hint of coffee as well. So it's really good, and it smells so good. I need to get a picture of this. It smells so good. So I am going to pour this out. I'm going to move these things out of the way. I'm just going to pour this out here. Look at that. It's almost like a juice. If you want it a little bit thicker, I would definitely suggest to add just a little bit more blueberries, or you can also add, if you want it a little bit thicker, you can add some bananas, just some frozen bananas, of course, just to give it that thickness. So I'm going to just take a sip of this, and I cannot wait to tell you guys. Oh my goodness. Wow. 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 You can actually blend this up even more to get some of the peanut chunks out of it. It has a little bit of the peanut chunks and a little bit of chocolate chip chunks, but the chocolate, the dark chocolate in it gives it that really deep, rich flavor. And that bitterness, and the blueberries bring in that sweet, with the peanut butter brings in that sweet. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, mm. This is not good. This is not good that it tastes this delicious. So definitely try this out if you feel like this is something that you would want to try. If you love coffee, if you love blueberries, if you love smoothies, definitely try this one out because it's amazing. It tastes so good. You can add in a little bit more milk if you wanted to, add in some different elements, try something out, create something new other than our dark chocolate blueberry smoothie, which really plays off of the notes of our new blend that we're actually going to be coming out with which is going to be our dark chocolate blueberry. And this really just gives it, puts it to a whole nother level. It gives you that coffee you need in the morning, it gives you that protein that you need, and then it just gives you that satisfaction that everyone needs, right? Everyone needs this, that little bit of, yes, I'm gonna make it through the morning. So definitely try this out. Let us know what you think. Let us know your thoughts. Let us know. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. Don't forget to share if you like this video, and please leave a comment for us because we love to read it and we love to get your feedback on our channel as well. Thank you guys so much for watching another video with us for our Repurpose series, and I hope that this leftover coffee repurpose of leftover coffee has really been helpful for you and just making an impact on what we can do with the earth. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.